Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Sam Malayala. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about AEEE, that is Amruta Entrance Engineering Entrance Exam Phase 3 details, as well as fourth phase details, who are eligible and everything related to that. And first and foremost, many people are asking me when are the results are going to out for phase 3. So on July 22nd, today is 20th, and exactly after day after tomorrow, that is on 22nd, you will get the results, that is score on for phase 3 of AEEE 2021. And when it comes to last date of grievance on malpractice is July 25. So on July 22, if your score is not available to you, I mean if they didn't issued your score due to any malpractice issue, so if you feel you are genuine, you have to mail them here btech @ amruta.edu, and ranks will be given on 5th, and best of all items will be written. Now when it comes to JEE Main score allotment, so if you have applied using JEE Main score, if applied only JEE Main seat allotment will be based on that, and you will be going only rank for JEE rank based on JEE rank, and you have to give current available based of your percentiles. For example, now February and March is done, and these percentiles are also out, and 28th is the last date for application for phase 4. Maybe before that only you need to upload. If in that case, so the April attempt which is conducted now is the last date is 27th is the last day, like last day slot for postponed April session, that is third session. I think before August 5th there is no chance of getting the result. If even if you get like Amruta may have at least 1 or 2 days to analyze that. So let's see what they are going to do. If you have a chance for filling the best of 3, it is fine. If you don't have chance now at present, fill best of 2, that is of best of February and March, so that is more than enough. And if you applied for AEEE and JEE, 2 ranks will be given. So some people applied for this, and the software will allot the best of 2 ranks. So if you keep 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are getting second option using AEEE and you AEEE rank, and you are getting first rank using JEE, I mean JEE rank. So based on that, now software will allot you this particular thing. So if and vice versa. I hope you got my point. And Evolve Batch 2.0, which is for class 12 JEE Mains 2022, is starting from 21st July. If any of your friend or family is interested to join this particular batch, do suggest them this particular batch. Evolve Batch 2.0, these are the faculty on the right. And Emerge Batch 2.0 for class 11th, which is only JEE Mains 2023, and this is also starting from 21st July. And please suggest to your friends and family, if they are interested, they can enroll now using the link in the description. Emerge class 11 for JEE Mains and Advanced 2023. The batch is starting from 21st July again, and these are the faculty on the right. And if any of your friends or families in class 11 and they wanted to join an academy, you can suggest them this particular batch. If you want to register for any of these 3 batches, you can use the links in the description, and don't forget to use my code CharanYT, for which you will be getting 10% extra discount. Okay, so now AEEE final phase. So I think many of you are waiting for this. If you see AEEE final phase details, so first and foremost, exam will be on August 3rd, and the result will be on August 5th along with all of them. And I said the best of all. Okay, best of all. And last date to apply is 28th July. Okay, now you may ask me where we can apply. So this is the Amruta Edu website, right? So you just click here, last date to apply for AEEE is, if you click here, I'm opening in a new tab. So here, so those who already registered under JEE Mains, or those who didn't got result due to malpractice, just they can log in here and they can add final phase and then apply that. Those who already got some score in last 3 phases, so you are not allowed to do now. And coming to new candidate, so if you are a new candidate, you wanted to apply newly, so you can use this, like here registered candidate, here new candidate, email, name, mobile number, password, you can confirm password, select your interest, here you can interest click UG or PG, like that. And then after that, register. So this process is simple, you can easily do that, so no issues at all. So who are eligible? So for AEEE phase 4, that is final phase, everyone is not eligible. So those who don't have any AEEE score till now, like for example AEEE new applicants, we can say, so they can apply newly and written but did not got result due to malpractice. You have written let's say 3 attempts, in 3 attempts you got due to malpractice, issue you didn't got the result, so you can write, you have to pay for the fees. And just you applied only for 1 session, and due to malpractice you did not got result, and so now also you can, so now you also allowed to write final phase, and you should pay the amount and then write. and applied but unable to attempt due to any issue. So you have applied, you booked the slot but did not attempt the exam due to some technical issues or any other issues. So you need not to pay again if as you have missed that. So like with the same thing, once you can mail them for the extra details. So with the same thing, you can write the exam. Now before you applied only for JEE Mains with JEE Mains score. Now you wanted to write AAA. You can say this is something like just open the dashboard and also tick AAA score and just pay the fees and then write the exam. So that's it, guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.